Dear students, in this video, I would like to show you how to factor trinomials in the form ax squared plus bx plus c using the AC method. For our example, factor 3x squared minus 2x minus 8. First, we're going to identify the a and c coefficients from the expression. A is equal to 3. That's the leading coefficient in front of x squared. And c is equal to negative 8. Remember that the coefficients go with the signs in front of them. Now, a times c will give us 3 times negative 8, which is negative 24. So negative times a positive will give us a negative number. Now, the next step is to list all possible factors for negative 24. So 1 times negative 24 and negative 1 times positive 24. As we said, negative times a positive will give us a negative. 2 times negative 12 and negative 2 times positive 12. We have 3 times negative 8 and negative 3 times positive 8. The next pair is 4 times negative 6. And the last one is negative 4 times positive 6. Now we're going to look for combination of the listed factors that will give us negative 2 as an answer. So we want to represent negative 2, negative 2x actually. We want to represent it using the 2 factors of negative 24. So the one that will give us negative 2 is positive 4 and negative 6. So here we're going to represent negative 2x as positive 4x minus 6x. Now we're going to rewrite the rest of the trinomial, 3x squared and minus 8. So what we're going to do next is we're going to factor by grouping. We have 4 terms now. So we know that when we have 4 terms, we can put them in groups of 2 and factor them. 3x squared plus 4x minus 6x and minus 8. We're going to group them. And we're going to factor out the greatest common factor for the first group, which is x, 3x squared and 4x have a greatest common factor of x. 3 and 4 don't have common factors. So 3x squared divided by x is just x. And 4x divided by x is plus 4. For the second part, we need to be careful because we must take the negative out, since that's the that is the sign in front of the 6x. So if the third term starts with negative, we're factoring the negative sign out. The greatest common factor for 6 and 8 is 2. So negative 2 is the greatest common factor for negative 6x, negative 8. Now, if we divide negative 6x by negative 2, we'll get positive 3x. And negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. Now, we see that we have a common binomial of 3x plus 4. We're going to factor it out. And what left is x minus 2. So this is our second factor. Now our factorization is completed. We have 2 factors that represent the the initial trinomial 3x squared minus 2x minus 8.